For number 4, we have an absolute value inequality. Anytime you have an inequality or an equation to solve that involves absolute value bars, you're always going to have two answers. And so before you can set up those two cases, anything that's outside the bars, you have to get rid of first. So on number 4, outside the bars, we have this number 4. To get rid of that 4, we have to use what its inverse operation is. So you have to look at what operation is going on between the 4 and the bars. And we know that's multiplication when they're written right next to each other without a symbol. So to undo multiplication, we're going to use division. So I'm going to begin by dividing both sides by 4. Now I have the bars by themselves on the left side of the equation. 20 divided by 4 leaves me with a 5 on the right side. Once the bars are isolated, there's nothing else outside them on the same side of the inequality with it, you can write your two different cases. The first case is going to look exactly like this. We're just not going to write the bars around the 2x plus 1. So we're going to have 2x plus 1 is less than 5. The second time, what's inside the bar stays the same, but the inequality symbol is going to flip. Instead of being less than, it's going to be greater than, and the sign on the number is going to change. That positive 5 is going to become a negative 5.
Buses are leaving in 1 minute.
Then we just solve each one of these inequalities. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides.
Buses are leaving in 1 minute.
Divide by 2.
Ride a bus. Get to your bus now.
And the same thing over here. Subtract 1 and divide by 2. So our solution is this x is less than 2 and x is greater than negative 3. So two answers.